Hello, fourth graders, and we are going to look at page 205 from our math workbook. All right, so on page 205, we have to decide if whether the angle is an obtuse, acute, or right angle. So let's look at number one. Number one, we see this little bitty angle right here. And so when I see that little bitty angle right there, that makes me think about a cute little baby. So for number one, the answer is acute. Number two, I notice right here that square on that angle. And I know that when I see the square representing on the angle, that is going to be a right angle or a 90-degree angle. Okay? All right, for number three, I notice that I do not see a square, but I can draw a square right here, and it does make a perfect square. So I know that this angle is also a right angle or a 90-degree angle. Number four. Now number four, I have to kind of turn around so that I can see, could this possibly be a 90-degree angle? So I'll take my piece of paper and see that if I put it right here on this line, if it were a 90-degree angle, then this line would be touching the top of my paper, but it doesn't. So I know that this angle for number four is bigger than 90 degrees. So it is an obtuse. Alright, number five, I see that I have an upside down angle, but I see this square right here. So we know automatically that that is a right angle or a 90-degree angle. And then number six, I can see this angle almost looks like a line. We can see that it's bigger than this 90-degree angle. So we know that this is an obtuse angle. Okay, after you watch this video, please make sure that you tear out page 205 and go turn it in to the completed work bucket.